Shall I help or
Still trying, sir.
trying? Okay. Okay, so this one also let me do this. Let me help. So what you have to do? You have 19 here. 19 here means you have to type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. And 16 plus 1, 2, 3. Now it's 19. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the 32. This is how you write the 32 bits. Then you have this IP address 98.103.111.157. You have the IP address, right? Now you have the IP address as well as the subnet mask, which is 19, and I just wrote that using binary. So next is you have to write the IP address in binary. Can you tell me the IP address who has converted this already? Kauru hari convert karana mata kiyanne. Please tell me the IP address. Yes. 98. What is the IP address? 98 is
0
0
1 1
1 1
triple 0 1 0.
00010. This is 32 plus 64. 32 plus 64 is 96 plus 2, 98. 103. 0.
0 1 1
1 1.
0 0.
Okay.
Triple
0
zeros.
Sorry, 0 1 1 0.
0 0 triple 0.
That means all zeros, is it? Like this?
No,
So, no.
no, sir. 0 1 1
Yeah.
0 0 triple 0.
0
Triple
1
1, sir.
triple 1, no?
Triple 1, sir.
Yeah, triple 1. That's why I just okay. This is 7. 7 plus 96 is 103. That is correct. 111 111 111 0
0 1 1
1 1.
1
Okay.
1 0
0
4 1 4 1.
I believe that your answer is correct, right? This is 15. 15 plus 96. 15 plus 10 plus 96 is 100 and 10 plus 96 106. 106 plus 5 is 111. Correct. Then 157. 157 is
1 0
1.
0
Hmm.
triple ones 0
0 1
1. Yes.
triple 1 0 1. So I believe this is 128. 128 plus 16. Sorry, here 128 plus 8. Oh, 16. 16. 128 plus 16 is 134. 144. 144 plus 12 is 12 means 144 plus 8 is 152. 152 plus 5 is 157. Okay, correct. Okay, now you have the conversion. This number you have to convert to binary. That is the second option. First thing is write 19 ones. Okay, the second option is you just convert this to binary and take the AND. AND logic එක මම කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. I said that 1 and A and 1 is A. Something and 1 is something. This is something. This is ones, all ones. Something and 1 is something. After ending this, when you end this, something and 1 is something. Again, something here, something and 1 is something. Okay, here you have 3 ones. Something and 1 is something. So you can take this, therefore. That is the only possibility. And after that, something and 0. You know the other way, right? Something and 0 is AND gate එකට 0 ගියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? Everything will become 0. Something and 0 will become 0. Here all zeros. So you have to just have this all 0 as the answer. Something and 0 is something. Sorry, not something and 0 is 0. Okay, now you can tell me the network address. It is What? The network address is? What is the network IP? Yes, guys. Please talk.
98.
98 dot
103.
3 dot
96.
yeah 96 dot 0 is the network IP. Correct. Broadcast IP. To get the broadcast IP, I'm again highlighting the network portion. So this is the network portion. I'll highlight it in yellow color. And this is the network portion. I'm highlighting it in the yellow color. Right? The other portion belongs to the hosts. What you have to do to get the host portion. So how to get the broadcast IP? Take the IP address, same IP address, put all ones here. All ones means the host portion. Host portion is this area. This is the host portion, right? And here also this is the host portion. Making it green, and let's make all ones. 1 1 1 1 1. Here also 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. And now you have the broadcast IP. This is called broadcast. Okay, what is the broadcast IP? What is the broadcast IP? Yes. 98 dot 103 dot. Yes.
127.
127 dot
225.
225.
55.
Sorry, 255. Yeah, 255 is the broadcast IP. And what is the subnet mask? Subnet mask is 255. Subnet mask means it's asking about this portion, right? These things, these ones. 255, 255. Okay. 255, 255. Yes. 255 dot 255 dot. Yes, tell me. This is the asking about this. Yes,
224.
Yes, 224, correct. 224 dot 0.
0.
Yeah, that is the subnet mask. Okay, let's give this. Let's give these values to our answer sheet. I think so I think now we have done enough and we have found few answers, and this is the network IP. So let's paste this in our question. Okay, the network IP. What is the broadcast IP? So let's go back, and this is our broadcast IP. So what do you think about this kind of question? These kind of questions, I think easy. Only thing is you should know the pattern. Without knowing the pattern, without knowing how to calculate this, you won't be able to answer. So, okay, let's check the answers. Okay, you got all correct. So I'll send you this link. You can practice, right? I'll send you this link. You can practice. And you can test whether your understanding is okay. තේරුම් ගත්ත විදිය හරිද කියලා බලන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ වෙබ්සයිට් එකේ. Okay, one more question, right? Only one question. So this one you have to do alone. Come on, please. දැන් මම උදව් කරානේ දෙකකට. මේක තනියෙන් කරමු නේද? තනියෙන්ම. ටක් ගාලා කියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. Same time, similar type of question. Only thing is finding the binary. I'll give you like, okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. Then this meeting will be ended within 3 minutes, right? Upho, reconnect with 3 minutes වලින් පස්සේ I reconnect වෙනවා. මොකද meeting එක auto end වෙනවා 3 minutes වලින්. So before that you have to find, if you can find the answer before that, there is a challenge. You have 2.5. Try and give the answer before this session ends. So try to give the answer.